Here, we can just...
Hi, we're Alex and Emma.
Hi!
This is the first song we wrote together.
It's true!
So we're gonna play it now.
Hello! Oh
Hi.
gosh, it's not working!
Oh god.
Is that the wrong way?
Oh no,
It's the wrong way.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. That's serious. That's good. Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay. Drop and the rain won't stop. You're always coming out on top. But no storm's gonna wash away that. You got your family, you got your friends, but you're still alone in your own head. Melancholy is here to stay for. You're shaking and grabbing at the edge of a cliff. Gray skies are pushing down on a load you can't lift. Knocking at your door. These feelings that you just can't escape. You soaked them up and you wrung them out, but you're tired and you're bent out of shape. Sometimes you wish the flood would sweep you away, with all the pain and all the sorrow. Why should you stay? You're shaking and grabbing at the edge of a cliff. But this life is far too precious for anyone to miss. Baggage we've got to carry. It's safe to say it's more than enough. Sometimes I'll have to lean on you, but feel free to lean on me. You're only lonely in your own head if that's what you choose to be. You're shaking and grabbing at the edge of a cliff. Skies are nothing but the clouds and the mist. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.